Assalamu alaikum. Today I am talking about Tawakkul, Sabr and Tahajjud. So what is Tawakkul? Tawakkul means a complete trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It means believing that no matter what happens in your life, you have to trust Allah, and whatever He chooses for you is always the best for you. Tawakkul is not about just sitting and doing nothing. It means you need to try your best, you make your efforts, you work hard, and then you leave the rest to Allah. Your hands does the work, but your heart relies only on Him. Sometimes in life, you reach a point where nothing makes sense. No doors open, no path looks clear, and your heart quietly whispers, "There's no way out." That's when overthinking begins. You start fearing the future, doubting your duas, questioning your destiny. But wait for a moment. What if this situation is not a punishment but a test of your trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We live in a world of instant results, instant messages, instant replies, instant success. But Allah doesn't work on our timing. He works on a perfect timing. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks for sabr. Because sabr is not just a patience, it's a trust. A trust that even when you see no way, Allah is already making one for you. If something isn't happening, if every plan keeps falling, maybe it's not meant for you. And if it's not meant for you, it's not a loss, it's actually a protection. Maybe Allah has planned something better, something bigger, something beyond what your mind can imagine. And if you feel like your duas aren't being accepted, don't stop asking. Instead, wake up for a tahajjud. And I truly feel my duas gets accepted whenever I pray tahajjud. Whenever I feel low, I feel overthinking, and I just wake up and pray tahajjud. That quiet moment in the night when the whole world sleeps and your soul speaks, that is when Allah listens to the closest. Tahajjud is not just a prayer, it's a conversation, a safe place, a healing, a proof that Allah invites you to talk to Him. Because Allah loves when you ask Him, He loves when you rely on Him, He loves when you come back to Him broken, tired, lost, just as you are. So don't lose hope. Don't let shaitan convince you that nothing will change. I have learned something very beautiful in Tahajjud. Whenever my heart is overwhelmed and I rush to pray, thinking that I will express everything in dua, but often when I lift my hands, I cannot even find the words or remember why I was crying for so long. I thought maybe my prayers lacked focus, but today I have realized the truth during my prayer is, especially in sujood, Allah fills the heart with a peace so deep that it softens every worry. The sukoon found in worship is so healing that it makes you forget the pain you have come with. And you know what's amazing about this? Even silence is understood by Allah. You don't always need perfect words, long duas. Sometimes just standing before Him is enough. And you suddenly feel so light, your chest feels peaceful, your worries feel smaller. Because Allah knows everything. He knows what you want. He knows what hurts you. He knows what you're praying for. But still He wants you to ask Him, not the people or the world. You know, we are in a world where we keep on asking our friends or family or relatives to just pray for me, I'm in trouble, keep me in your duas. Why don't you pray for yourself? I'm not asking you to just stop telling people, but why don't you trust yourself? Do you ever wonder, will my duas even be accepted? That doubt is from shaitan. He wants you to stop asking. He wants you to lose hope. But you don't need to worry about acceptance. Your job is to ask Allah, and Allah's job is to respond. Just leave your worries to Him. That doesn't mean you will stop trying. Try, struggle, work, but remember, Allah is the one who creates the way out. So just trust Him, have sabr, and wait, because when Allah writes your story, He writes it perfectly.